Hooked up, boys. Hooked this up. I saw him eat something there. Threw it right back there. He snagged it, didn't he? Ooh, not a big one. Nope, not big. That is a fish. Good hook set and everything, look at that. Oh, choked it too. Hold still, little buddy. I think the hook came out, maybe, yep. Yeah. 1 sec, guys. Alright, Bass Bites, Bows, and Bullets starting to rain on me here. What a catch. I hope I got it on camera. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to check my roll here. Let's let him go. Kind of pitch him out here. Sorry, bud.
Follow my nose.
There he goes. Ooh. Getting some more fishies. That's Bass Bites, Bows, and Bullets. The mama beaver. Ain't no baby beaver. Baby beaver. How about daddy beaver? Big old daddy beaver. Oh, there, eat your soul. Oh, daddy beaver. That's right, daddy beaver. Sit there and eat something. I see you gnawing. Like it's corn on the cob. Yes. Oh, he's swimming. He's a swimming bear. Look at the beaver. That's a big beaver. One big beaver. Tell that beaver to get out of her. Say, be gone, daddy beaver. Be gone. Throw something at it. There ain't nothing to throw. God forsaken beavers. Okay, beaver. Bye-bye. Bass Bites, Bows, and Bullets here. I just got done bass fishing at the back lake. Came up here and they were slaying catfish on hot dogs. So, right there, you see that? Oh, I missed him. Alright, I'll get back to you guys.